So, ayan guys, ang aming merienda for today slash pulutan. So, ayan, habang nagbibidyo kasi noon, party-party kami today. So, gagawa muna tayo ng paano sa sauce guys. Ito lang yung gagawin natin sa sauce. Bago natin siya buksan kasi lagay muna natin wala tayong pork kaya fry na lang. Parang pinakainit natin yung mantika.
Gusto ko maraming garlic.
Wala pang garlic. Ayan, lagyan natin ng sili of onion. And syempre hindi mawawala ang asukal ni Papa. That of sugar.
Ayaw!
Sasakaling kita pa. And toyo. Wala yung inaano ko lapis eh. Haluin muna natin sa bago natin buksan. Kung nag-dissolve na siya guys, sa pinakamahilang apoy lang. So hayaan mo natin yan, mag-prito na tayo. Bala na muna tayo. Ito na unahin natin guys. Kasi ito naman yung madaling maluto.
Dapat ano na, lahat na.
Ano na natin.
Huwag mo na gawin, di ba naman? Yan guys, ako po yung nag-aantok ng Marian. Paano mo luluto?
Hindi ko muna ginupitan guys para
Mamaya.
mamaya natin siya. Oh!
God.
May kasakitan siya. Tempura. Tempura. The tempura guys, it's giving. Kick yan po yung kanina.
New user get 10% off hotels.
Ito po ay tempura.
Basta pamilya sa Wilkins Tiwala.
Ayan guys. So, lahat po is giving. Papas forward ko to guys kasi na ay nag-video okay. So, alam nyo na makaka-copyright tayo.
Nain na lang yun.
Araw-araw na sisikat ng araw.
Hinaan ko yan.
Buwan, pabibilugin ko ang buwan para sa'yo. Ang araw na to,
Alam mo ba?
Susungkitin mo nga.
ay nasana'y maging akin. Kung sunod lang namin, kung pwede lang
Guys, ibating po yung namalengke. Thank you, Bating.
Guys, sabi kainit yun yatay.
Wala kasi kami magaw. Sabi ko magtuhog-tuhog na lang.
Sabi kainit yun.
Minsan lang sila bata.
Kanina wala nag-ano, di ba?
Pressure doesn't wait. It builds. It rises. It tests you. And when it kicks in, I know it's
Pa natin
about.
yung ating ginawang sauce.
nais ko mabuhay sa haba ng panahon.
Na, kapoy na kayo.
Ako'y
Pagpuyo niya.
nilipas
Abot
na
suwan.
ika'y kapiling ko.
Kami lang.
Lalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di manig, minsa'y nauudal patungo sa hinanga.
Kasalanan ba kung di ako islangit na
Ulit ba?
Sine na kailangan mo baong pitakang lula. Palihim sa mga artistang papel. Ingat at sipilong sabi
Ate ko, magdula kayo.
Itong istorya sa iyong mga walikatumanan. Sile, sile.
Piling ka kape? Piling ako.
You see,
Ay, sorry, sir. Pinadaktor.
got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, however hard ways, I will be right here waiting for you.
Yawag, talagang yawag. Ganit pa yun. Talaga. Ay, sino na yung kapit? Ay, lulawas. Ay, yun. Ano lang yun? Ano lang? Di ba, karoon ba? Ako mo, gagawin ko lang. Hala!
Ate, malapit na graduation. Super na namin ng grad Naku, short pa kasi tayo ngayon. Pero hindi naman kayo kasi pinag-
Ako, isa na siya. Ako na papaway.
Oo, ano ba? Hindi kayo na iba? 61.
Okay, thank you.
Dahil second,
Last na to.
easy,
Ay, mukha pa kanyang tubong.
No pass na ba ng long mo? Baka ano ba yung no pass na sa 5 minutes. Agad.
What? Adapt score.
I've been spending some time thinking I'll be alright. Don't know if I can really make it tonight. Waking me up from down bed slow. Thinking about you is almost breaking my heart. I don't know where I've been wrong or what's going on. Baby, I really don't know. Lately I've been missing you so. Baby, you don't understand. My love lies lost, but you're still holding my hand. Oh, and then you walk away just tonight. I want you to stay. You turn me on, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. You're turning me on, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. Every time I'm with you, it's hurting me too. Don't know if I could really stay here tonight. Tired of thinking of you and everything that you do. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Well, I just wanted to say that I need you today. Tell me it's all gonna work out alright. I don't know where I should start, but with all of my heart, baby, let me be your lover tonight. Baby, you don't understand. Our love lies lost, but you're still holding my hand. Oh, and then you walk away just tonight. I want you to stay. You turn me on, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. You turn me on, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. Oh, you know, you turn me upside down. to my